Playback Error 500 on YouTube TV usually means there's a temporary server issue or a broken connection between your device and YouTube's servers. The good news is that you can fix it quickly with a few simple steps. Step 1. Restart the app and your device. Close the YouTube TV app completely, then open it again. If the error comes back, restart your device, whether it's a smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or a mobile device. A fresh reboot often restores the connection to YouTube's servers. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi is one of the most common causes of error 500. Restart your router, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, or move closer to your Wi-Fi source. If you can, try using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 3. Clear the YouTube TV app cache or data. Depending on your device, clear the app's temporary files. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings. Go to the Apps section, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the cache reset sequence on your remote. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete the YouTube TV app and reinstall it. This resets all app data automatically. Step 4. Update the YouTube TV app. Open your device's App Store, search for YouTube TV, and check if an update is available. Outdated versions can fail to connect properly and trigger error 500. Step 5. Turn off any VPN. If you're connected to a VPN, disable it. VPNs often confuse YouTube TV's location system and can cause server communication errors. Step 6. Check for YouTube TV server outages. If the problem continues, visit a real-time outage site like Down Detector and search for YouTube TV. If many people are reporting issues, the problem is likely on YouTube's end, not your device. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.